Good morning, students. Today I will start a redox reaction. Okay, by the name of the redox you should know redox, reduction, oxidation means both the things are possible. Reduction is also be there and the oxidation is also be there. So what is here? A solution and oxidation means reduction is there, oxidation is there, takes place simultaneously in the reaction. In the reaction is called as redox reaction. So in a oxidation, what form? Did gain oxygen and remove hydrogen. Okay, gain oxygen and remove hydrogen. This is known as a oxidation. Reduction, lose oxygen and gain hydrogen. Example, Na, from Na positive, electron coming out. Fe, Fe3 positive, 3 electrons going out. Cu, Cu2 positive, 3 electrons going out. In a reduction, loss of oxygen and gain of hydrogen. Fe3, 3 electrons, Fe3 formation takes place. Okay. Same as we are doing about oxidation agent. Those substance which oxidize the other substance means a one substance which oxidize the other substance, that is known as oxidizing agent. You can see here CuO plus H2. Now Cu will come here, H2O will go on that side. Now this H2 is coming on, O is coming with this H2. It means oxidation takes place here and upper side reduction takes place. Means CuO, O is not here, it remain alone here. Cu, O will remain on this side, so it form a reduction. Now next is reducing agent. In this one, what the things are reduced and what the things are oxidized. The substance which reduce the other substance but itself goes oxidized means a substance which reduce the other substance, it are reducing agent. CuO plus H2, it gives Cu plus H2O. Fine. Some example more are there. It form as ZNO plus C gives Zn plus Co. MnO2 plus 4HCl, it form MnCl2, 2H2 and Cl2. Fe2O3, 2Al, it form 2Fe and Al2O3. You should see this thing where the oxidation takes place and where the reduction takes place. Okay. One thing is very important, where the oxidation takes place, like here oxidation takes place. So in this one, see, oxygen is with this one. When the oxygen with coming with other substance on the reactant side, it means that thing is oxidation. If on this one side oxygen is there but on this one side oxygen is not there, it means it is a reduction. Same thing, same condition is applied here also. So in this one they are telling about the reduction and oxidation. Fine. Again I am giving, you can see it nicely. Fine. Reduction, oxidation, oxidizing agent, reducing agent. In oxidation it gains oxygen, lose hydrogen and gain oxygen. In this one we have tell about both the things, about the oxidation and reduction both. In this also we have find out the oxidation and reduction more, and these are the some example. Fine. This much today we will complete it, and rest these things you can write in your copies, and other things we will do next time. Thank you and have a nice day, students.